Weather-wise for Sunday and all the way into Monday, there will be an opportunity and a chance for spotty showers and storms. Now, you'll notice how it's not a significant and widespread opportunity, but we'll take what we can get considering how dry it has been. The reason why we're finally starting to mix in some chances for rain, we've had higher dew points, greater tropical moisture. Right now, the dew points are between 65 and 70, and that will be the case over the next week. Now, thanks to a stronger Gulf wind pattern earlier today, that blew most of the rainfall totals, especially inland. Right now, scanning the skies, bone dry locally, but I do have some storms in the Florida Panhandle. Now, overnight, this will be working its way to the south, but unfortunately, a lot of it weakening on its approach to southwest Florida. So I'll show you that coming up. Here's a look at the remainder of the night. There's the batch of rain near Tallahassee. This is at 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. Ahead of it, isolated rain is possible. So for tomorrow morning, isolated rain, patchy fog inland, and a pretty mild night, upper 60s and lower 70s. Boaters, the wave heights 1 to 2 in the morning, 2 to 3 by the afternoon. That's when we would see a moderate chop as the winds do increase. Yeah, here's a look for your Sunday afternoon towards about 5 o'clock. Winds coming from the Gulf sustained at 10 to 20 miles an hour. 90 for the high for Immokalee and Ave Maria, 89 for Gateway, 87 San Carlos Park, and hot weather for Lake Susie and Arcadia, but you can certainly see the influence of that Gulf breeze for Rotunda and Boca Grande. So let's walk you through your Sunday, a hit or miss chance of rain by sunrise. And then as we fast forward to about 9 a.m., yeah, there's that batch from Tallahassee, but you'll see how as it sags south, it kind of breaks apart and it does weaken. We will try to develop some new areas of rain into the afternoon, but just like today, best opportunity by the second half of your Sunday is going to be primarily inland before wrapping up. The 7-day rainfall projections about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. As you go closer to Lake Okeechobee, I do expect at least a couple areas to see 1 inch of rain. Gets hotter by midweek, lower to even middle 90s, and then fast forwarding to Mother's Day, chance of rain, highs in the upper 80s.